Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. As we spend more and more time on our screens, our eyes tend to become very stressed and dry. Excessive screen time can also cause our eye muscles to become weak, which often leads to headaches. In this video, we'll be doing some simple eye exercises which will help in relieving stress as well as strengthening the eye muscles. You can do these easily while taking a break between work. So once you're ready, let's get going. Come to a comfortable sitting position with your spine long and gently close your eyes. Let's just take a few deep relaxing breaths here. As you inhale deeply, let your belly expand out. And as you exhale, your belly goes in. Let's take a couple of more breaths here. Then open your eyes. We will now start the first exercise, which is blinking. Start blinking your eyes in quick successions for about 20 seconds. Keep breathing as you do this. We often forget to blink as we concentrate on our work, especially on our screens. Blinking helps in keeping our eyes moist, reduces tension, and increases circulation. Now close your eyes and relax your breath. We'll do this once more. Open your eyes and start blinking quickly. Keep breathing. Very good. Then close your eyes and relax your face and eye muscles. Open your eyes. Without moving your head, gaze up towards the ceiling. Then slowly move your gaze to your right side. Then look down. And finally look towards your left side. Let's join all these 4 points and circle our eyes in clockwise direction, tracing as large a circle as possible. Gently focus on objects in your periphery as you make the movement smooth and fluid. We'll do this 10 times. Try not to move your head and keep breathing. Last one. Then close your eyes and relax. Let's do the same eye rolling movement 10 times in anti-clockwise direction. Try to make the circles as large as possible. You can also coordinate your breath with this movement. As your eyes move upwards, breathe in, and as they move downwards, exhale. Keep the face muscles relaxed. Last one. And then close your eyes and relax. Gently open your eyes. Bring your arms to shoulder level with thumbs pointing up. Bring your focus to the space between your eyebrows. Then look towards the right thumb. You can wiggle your thumb to help see the tip. Again, gaze towards the eyebrow center and then look towards the tip of the left thumb. Let's do this side to side movement 10 times. We can also coordinate our breath. As you exhale, look to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Keep going on as you focus on your breath and eye movement. Last one. Very good. Just close your eyes and relax. Our second last exercise is going to be focus shifting. Open your eyes. Hold one arm straight out in front of you with the thumb pointing up. Focus on the tip of your thumb. While keeping your eyes focused on it, slowly move the thumb towards your nose until you can no longer focus clearly on it. Pause for a breath and then lengthen the arm back to its original outstretched position while maintaining the focus on the thumb. Let's do this 3 more times. Keep your focus on the thumb and keep breathing. You can take a break to close your eyes for a breath if you feel too much strain or your eyes start watering. This is perfectly normal as watering of eyes is a natural cleansing mechanism. This is great for strengthening the eye muscles and for relieving headache, which happens because of excessive straining of the eye muscles. Last one. Bring your arm down, close your eyes and relax. Now finally, keeping your eyes closed, bring both your palms together in front and start rubbing them together vigorously till you feel heat between the palms. Gently cup your palms and place them over the eyelids. Don't touch the eyelids directly, but hollow the hands slightly and allow them to form a curtain of darkness in front of the eyes. Envision the eyes absorbing the darkness while also welcoming the healing warmth from the hands. When you are ready to emerge, gently bring the hands down from the face and slowly open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this practice, which you can do daily to keep your eyes strong and healthy. I'll see you with a new video next week. Till then, bye-bye.